experiment. Tonight, we are going to examine how volcanic slope affects flow. As you can see, we have built a replica of a volcano. John Paul, would you like to tell us about this, or who would like to start?
I would.
Aaron? Okay.
This is an exact replica of a real volcano. Today we want to determine what would be the best place to put a city around a volcano. It matters about the slope. And I'm going to turn it over to John Paul right now. Okay. Well, as you can see, we have labeled our towns. We have the town of Wendell, the town of Johnson, the town of Shelbyville, and the town of Maxwell. Now, these towns have been hypothesized to which one is going to survive and which one's going to get wiped out.
And this would be based on the slope of the volcano?
Yes, it would.
Okay. Okay, and so now we're going to do a demonstration of lava flowing out of the volcano. We're going to see which towns get pummeled and which ones get spared, right?
Right, and we'll be back in a couple of seconds.
Okay, our hypothesis.
Hello, we're back. And we are going to tell you what both of our hypotheses are. On Wendell Town, I said it will be hit because the slope is shaped in the way that the lava can easily run down and hit the town. And for Johnson Town, which is over there, I said it will be hit because the lava will run over the lumps and hit the town.
Okay.
And for Shelbyville Town, I said could possibly be hit because the shape of the slope is straight enough to hit the town. And for Maxwell, I no doubtedly said will not be hit because there is a giant shaping in the side where the lava should run away from the mountain and it can go to the sides. So I'm going to hand this over to Aaron and you read yours. This is mine, hypothesis about which city will survive and which city will blow up in flames. Wendell Town, which is this, will not be hit because the lava will follow the slope of the volcano and turn slightly away from the town when it goes past the slump and falls and it goes away from the town. Johnson Town, which is this one, right here, will be hit because the slope goes toward the town like this slope. It'll go down this way or this way, which I think that it would. Now, we'll move on to Shelbyville Town, which is right here. Now, Salmon Town will be hit because the slope turns toward the town when it falls and travels and wipes out this town. And last but not least, Maxwell Town will not be hit because the slope is facing away from the town. As you can see, if it falls, it will go away or this way, so it will fall away from it. Thank you. That is our hypothesis.
Now we're going to do the demo. Which town will be annihilated, which town will not. Aaron, begin pouring. Pull it out. More. 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 Put it all in there if you can. More. All of it. All of it. There you go. Pour some more. Okay, let it go. Let it go. There it goes. Okay. It's blowing, it's blowing, it's going. Oh my. It's going on the other side. What's happening here? Which town is getting annihilated? Oh man, let's see. Oh my goodness, there it goes. Well, it seems to be running down one side, guys. What do you say?
Yeah, we were wrong.
You were
None of the
wrong.
towns got hit.
None of the towns got hit. We got to figure out why. Why did it go? Why is it going on that side, and why is it flowing that way?
You want to push it the other way.
Oh, well, look, it's going on the other side now, guys. It's coming out. Look,
Whoa.
it's making its way down.
Oh, Mom, what about this floor stuff? Kim,
Go get a towel, quickly.
Towel.
Quickly.
I'm not gonna touch it. Quick.
Save the carpet.
Quick. Oh, darn, no. Get over here. Yeah.
Okay.
Lava.
There you go. Okay, now,
Hot. It's hot.
what's happening? Looks like, what town is this? Maxwell Town saved. Shelbyville Town saved. This town got some here.
No.
Johnson Town.
That's when I was pouring.
Nope. Looks like they were all pretty safe. Let's figure out why it's choosing to go on this side. Well, it could be because maybe it's the way it's shaped at the top.
Well, I think we all learned a valuable lesson here.
Well, we're going to have to do it again, guys, because we're going to see if we get the same results.
Now
Here
that
goes.
side's gonna get crumbled. Well, it
Who's
can't
going to
make
get it this time?
It won't make it. It appears that it can't make it because of all the moss at the very bottom.
Well, it looks like Johnsontown would be in danger. There's no doubt. Johnsontown is in a dangerous spot here. Yep. Absolutely.
And the people
it's-
are fleeing from their homes.
Yes, they should be, huh? It's following the slope.
It's barely making it, but it just might turn out there.
Yeah, they'd be in big trouble, wouldn't they? Okay. We'll do it one more time, guys. John Paul, last time.
Okay.
Let's see what happens
Here it
the third
goes.
run. What do you think, guys?
I think that someone's gonna.
Somebody's gonna die? What do you think?
Yep. Elimination complete.
Okay, that ought to about do it, John Paul. Let's
Well-
wait and see what happens. You know, it's a funny thing, you never know when a volcano's going to go off.
I think we need more baking soda.
Do you think?
It's filled about right there with vinegar.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Right. You put it all in there, huh?
Basically.
Okay, you did. Okay, hold on. Let's go for the baking soda. Hold on just a second. Oh, put the baking soda in.
Okay.
Third try. Okay. Get it down in there and then get back, because it's going to be going. Spin it around in the hole. Yeah. Here it comes. Okay. Let her go. Look at her go. Looks like Johnsontown's going to get it again.
Johnstown! Look
Johnson
out! The whole volcano!
Run for your lives.
Johnson! No!
Is anything on the other side getting it? Is it just,
No!
John Paul, look around the other other side? Any of the other
No,
towns?
Johnsontown.
Only
It's gonna crash and
Johnsontown.
burn.
We've got to figure out what it is about Johnsontown that makes it different from the other three
It's gotta
sides
be
of the
flat
volcano.
slope.
Yeah? What is it about that slope? It always seems to go down that side. Okay, let's talk about some conclusions, okay?
Okay. Well, we have finished our volcano, and here's the procedure, which we assembled it, we erupted it 3 times, and the result was that Johnson was hit twice. And our purpose is what would be the safest place to put a town around a volcano? And Aaron, would you please tell us our conclusions?
Our conclusions was Shelbyville on the first eruption was spared. On the first eruption, Maxwell was spared, and also on the first eruption, Wendell was spared, and so was Johnson. Second eruption, Shelbyville was spared, Maxwell was spared, and Wendell was spared. But Johnson was hit. Like the other eruption, the second eruption, the Shelbyville was spared, Maxwell was spared, and Windmill was spared. And again, Johnson was hit. This is a graph of where the lava flowed toward Johnson. Our conclusion was that it flowed down for most times Johnsontown because of the way of the slope went down. And another experiment that someone could have done was perform, might be the difference between the flow of heated rock flows versus mud flow.
And what happened with the town after Hurricane Mitch and the mud flow?
Well, these articles bring out that adding to the tragedy, Necartage's Cerro Negro volcano spewed lava, gas, and ash on Tuesday, just 20 miles, 32 kilometers from the site of a massive mudslide at the neighborhood Casca volcano, where up to 2,000 people died last week. Lava ran about 1,000 feet down the volcano, and officials warn you that eruptions could worsen. Exhausted emergency workers went on alert to try to prevent further loss of life.
Very good. So this could be a valuable study, could it not, boys?
Yes, it could.
Okay. Is that all y'all have to say?
Yep.
Yes, and that is the conclusion of our science project.
Very good. Yay!